Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to color only one page in Word document. If you are looking for a pro way to color across multiple documents without manual drawing, you can use a simple macro. This script insert a rectangular that perfectly fits the page dimension. So for this you need to click on the view, and here you need to select the multiple pages. And here you can see that I have 6 pages over here. And now press Alt and F11 all together to open up the VBA Editor. And then go to the Insert and click on the Module. And here you need to paste this script. I'll be mentioned in the description, you can copy from there. And if you want to insert your specific color, you need to put the specific code of the RGBA color code from here. And then head to the file and click close and return to the Microsoft Word document. And now press F5 and select the page and enter the page number, for example 3, and click go to. Now your cursor will move to the page 3rd, and you can manually go to the 3rd page as well. And now go to the home and click on the macros, and now click on the run. And here you can see that, and now you can see that Word drop a perfectly sized background on your current page. And if you want to color the page number 5, then go to the page 5, go to the home and click on the macros and click run, and here you can see that. So this is the pro way. I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.